What's up, everybody? It's Joe the Gamer, and today I am playing Motocross Beach Jumping. And I heard this game was supposed to be really fun. Could have made it just go out, but oh my god, I wonder how many views this thing has. Oh, this wasn't here before. This was not here before. Okay, so here we go. Woohoo! Really cool graphics. So cool. Okay, hit green checkpoint. Oh, I'm time. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Keep landing in the water for some reason. I don't understand that. I don't know why. So, this game is kind of cool for me. Come on. Jump up. There we go. Oh my gosh. This takes such patience. Oh, here we go. This one. Come on, hit that purple. Hit that purple. Hit that purple. This thing is awesome. Insanity. Just total insanity. Okay, let's see if I can hit that sideways. Boom! Oh! 10 minutes. Wow. 10 minutes. I hit that. 10 minutes. So, this thing is actually really cool. Let's try jumping this and getting all of those down like that. Like this. In. Okay, okay, there we go, 25 seconds. Wow, this thing is awesome. I kept seeing this on the App Store, but then I was like, I don't know this game. Awesome. Sick. Oh, that, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's going to get better and better. This game is literally sick. Insanity. I'm still just jumping over everything. Okay, second. I need to change my view, I think so. Okay, here we go. guys have any other videos that I should do, leave it in the description. And I'll probably get back to you, but maybe it won't. So, yeah, there we go. So, I hope you guys like this video. Come on, go. Okay. So, there we go. Let's do that again. That's just sick. Okay, let's put this first one in 20 seconds. Okay. This game is kind of like you have to score something and then you get the time of it. I guess that's how this one goes. But I have different kinds of games that you guys could actually play, but I hope you guys will like this video a lot. So, I'm probably keeping this video up to 10 minutes long, and that's it, so play him, woo! Come on, don't go in the water. Oh, come on. This game. Sometimes it just brings you somewhere that you don't want it to bring you. Okay, there we go. Oh, let me drive right to that. That thing looks so sick. That goes right up. That thing goes right up. And then you have to hit everything. 75 seconds, 75 seconds, 75 seconds, Just doing those flips. Just doing them flips. Five seconds. Okay. We have to do this. We have to devour this game. Let's do this. Let's do this. No, don't do that. Let's do this again. Let's do that jump again. Let's do that. That actually this game is sick. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Hop over this bunny hop. Drive faster. Up. Oh, that was, I almost got that though. Like, I literally almost had that last time. But I didn't. So, yeah. Okay, we're doing this. We're gonna do this, boys. Bring out the fire. Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Okay, so here we go. This is how you do it like a boss. Just drive it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. That is all I have to say for this video. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. And yeah, so for the ending of this video, I'm going to jump back in again. Okay, so ready, guys?